The other great thing in this 2016 Range Rover Sport is it has Bluetooth audio streaming. If I go to my music here, I'll actually turn it down, but you see at the bottom there, hopefully there's a bit of a reflection there, Range Rover Sport. If I click on that, you'll see there's a tick next to Range Rover Sport, and anything, so long as the system here is set up correctly, anything that's playing on your phone will play through the speakers in here. So whether it be Spotify, Amazon Music, or just the ordinary music. So here we go. We'll go to the music symbol there, and you'll see it's already on my phone. If it's not, you see that plus there, that's not always showing. I'll just show you why. So if I click to auxiliary, it won't play here, and then I go to something else, my video, it's not doing it. So we want to play music from here. We go to the music note there, and you'll see my music. There's nothing there, there's no plus at the side, so you have to press my music, then click the plus. Then you've got the choice of all these: Barry's iPhone, iPod, DVD, so on. So we click Barry's iPhone. That's it. Now when this is turned down, I'll turn this up. That's turned up, and then it's a very good system.